How to change your profile picture on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Play Store in your Android. Now open it in your Android. You can see here at the bottom that there are different options, and you can see the screen of your messenger. You just have to click on the three lines which are appear at the top left side. Now you can see here there the your profile will appear in front of you. You can see there is a circle in front of your profile. You just have to click on the circle here. Your screen will appear, and in this way you can see your profile. Now we are going to change your profile picture. You can see here there is a camera here. Just you have to click on it, and you can take your photo at that instant. You can choose it from your gallery. Just I am going to choose my photo from my gallery. Just I have to select this video and this picture as my profile picture. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Now I have to click on the done option. In this way, save profile picture. Just click on the save profile picture. In this way you can change your profile picture on Facebook Messenger. This picture is being saved. All this procedure is for both Android as well as for iPhone to change the profile picture on Messenger. Now you can see your profile picture will be changed on your messenger. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.